Okay, so did you gone through last session? Do you have any questions?
No question so far. Yeah.
Yeah, so great. Now have a look. Okay, see, now I'm going to discuss about what second demo, and based on, I will show you how to subscribe for Azure free trial. You know, right? How to subscribe for Azure free trial? Do you have?
Sorry, come again. Azure?
Yeah. So, did you have a Azure free trial?
Yeah.
Yeah, you
I
have Azure
had,
free
but
trial.
I have to create for this one actually.
No,
I'll
not
start.
required. Existing one you can use it. If it is not expired.
Yeah, it is expired actually previously.
Okay,
So
okay.
I'll
Then you
create a
can
new one.
create. Yeah, you have an idea, right? How to create, how to subscribe for Azure free trial. No worries.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Now I will give you the preview of last session. So what is the AI? AI is the simulation of human intelligence. AI is a what? Simulation of human intelligence by machines, computers, right? So there are two types of AI, right? One is narrow AI, other one is what? Generative AI. Am I right? Yeah. Next. So AI versus machine learning and deep learning. Okay, a system that measures human intelligence, Alaska and ChatGPT, these are what? A system that is human intelligence. Machine learning is what? AI is the learn from the data. Machine learning means AI that learns from the data, actually predicting stock prices and all. Okay, yeah, deep learning. Deep learning in the sense ML using networks. ML using networks like self-driving cars and all. Okay, so what is the Azure AI? It is a cloud-based AI, cloud-based AI services by Microsoft. What are the features? Pre-built AI models, custom AI models, scalability and security, and the integration with Azure ecosystems. So we can integrate this with any existing Microsoft Azure product. Okay, yeah, next. Now, key features of AI services, right? Now, cognitive services. See, previously we used to call it as cognitive services. Now we are calling it as what? Azure AI services. Okay. Yeah. Next, here we have vision, speech, language, decision. So this is the machine learning. Okay. So what is the machine learning? ML is a sub branch of AI. ML is a sub branch of AI, right? So Azure Machine Learning, bot services, AI search, generative AI, that all Azure AI's key features. Okay. Yeah. Next, Azure Cognitive Services. What does it mean? Now we are calling it as what? AI services. Okay. Earlier we are calling it as Azure Cognitive Services. Now we are calling it as Azure AI services. Now it has pre-trained AI model for easy integration. If we go for computer vision, we have image analysis, image recognition, OCR, sentimental analysis. Okay, these are the features of computer vision. Next, speech services. Speech services are what? It will convert speech to text, text to speech. So this is the language services, text analysis and sentiment analysis. So this is the decision services. Okay, like anomaly detection and recommendation. Do you know what is the anomaly detection? Anyone? Anomaly detection.
No.
Yeah, anomaly detection means if you go for Flipkart, Amazon, right? So assume that you have purchased one TV. Assume that you have purchased one TV. Assume that on TV, around 1,100 members, they have provided the reviews, right? So generally people after purchasing the product, this product is good, not good, features are not good and all, right? Then these reviews we can categorize into two reviews. Am I right? One is negative review, other one is what? Other one is what? Positive review.
Positive.
Okay, so this is the anomaly detection. Okay, see negative what is that reviews, what they are expecting and all they can check. So positive reviews in the sense what else they are expecting, that all we can see. So that is what anomaly detection categorize. What is that? Reviews based on negative reviews and positive reviews. Okay, that is what anomaly detection and recommendation. Decision services. See, this is the decision services. Okay, yeah, next. Another thing is okay. Another thing is yeah, this is the decision making, right? Another thing is Azure machine learning. When you go for Azure machine learning, no code, low code, ML development, guys. Okay, when you go for Azure machine learning, no code, low code, ML development. So ML labs for scalable model deployment. Okay, so actually nowadays Microsoft they came up with inbuilt free models using that we can consume it directly. Okay, MLS for scaling model for deployment. Okay, Azure ML Studio for drag and drop the models creation. Okay, you know Visual Studio, right? Like that, you can drag and drop the AI models and you can create it. Support Python based development. It will support what? Python based development. Clear? So that is the one. Next, coming to Azure bot services. See, this is the Azure bot services, right? So when you go for Azure bot services, this is the built intelligent chatbot. Integrate with Microsoft Teams, web apps, and etc. etc. Use uses the bot framework for custom bots. Custom bots, bot services in the sense, if we go for ICICI.com, ICICI.com. Sorry, HDFC.com. Okay, here we have an option AVA. If you go for AVA, okay, here you can type what you want. If I type credit card, it will display here. See guys, am I right? So this is the chatbot. So they have developed using Azure AI only. Okay, yeah, next. Next thing is Azure Cognitive Search. Okay, here if you go for Azure Cognitive Search, this is the AI powered search engine for enterprise solutions. Extract meaning from unstructured data. Okay, can analyze document images and databases, guys. Okay, yeah, next. So this is the bot services. Now, coming to this is the Azure Cognitive Services. Now everything we are calling it as Azure AI Service. We can call it as AI Search Services. Clear, Rashman? So cognitive word will be disappear. Now everything we are calling it as instead of AI, instead of cognitive, we will call it as AI. Okay, Azure Cognitive Search. Now we are calling it as Azure AI Search. Clear, Rashman?
Yeah.
Rajan? Yeah. Now if I go for Azure OpenAI services, see, you know, right? Microsoft and OpenAI, they are business partners. So both together they will develop the product. Then Microsoft can integrate with their own product, and OpenAI they can provide the service to customers. Am I right? See, both together they have developed many things. See, access to advanced generative AI models. Okay, access advanced generative AI models. Next, GPT-4 Codex and Dolly is available. Use cases are chatbot content generation and code writing. Okay, chatbot code generation and writing. Okay, yeah, next. Another thing is real world use cases. Okay, where we can you execute all these Azure AI. Healthcare domain, they are using retail, finance, manufacturing, education. Healthcare, retail, finance, manufacturing, education. So in healthcare domain, they are taking care about diagnostics and patient care. Retail industry, personalized shopping experience. Finance, fraud detection models. Marketing, manufacturing, predictive maintenance with AI. Education, AI-driven student classmates. Okay, yeah, next. This is the hands-on demo. Like the goal is, you can go for navigate to AI Studio. Okay, now AI Studio, it is moving to what? AI Foundry. AI Foundry. Okay, deploy predefined AI model, run AI call, sentiment analysis, discuss real world application. Okay, so this is the summary of what we have discussed. What is the AI hands-on demo AI Studio? Explore it and do that. Clear? Yeah. So this is the overview of Microsoft Azure AI services. Now to access the Azure portal, you can go to portal.azure.com. Here you can go to portal.azure.com. Okay. Yeah. Choose this one. Okay. Yeah. So this is the Azure portal. This we will call it as left side menu or blade. Technical word is blade. BLADE. Okay. So this we will call it as what? Cloud shell. This is what? Or notifications. This is the one what? Settings. Next, this is what? Your account settings. Okay. For example, this is the English by default it is displaying, right? Now go to settings. Go to settings. Click on appearance and startup. Okay. Here you can apply the color. So this is the dark color. Okay. You can change it back to automatic. Now go to language. What is that? Go to language. Now, by default, it is displaying English language. If you want to, you can go and set up Chinese. Yes, you can apply Chinese. Automatically, it will convert it to Chinese language. So this is the one feature which Microsoft has providing. So you can consume the services with your local languages. Clear, Rajan? Okay. Now I am applying the English. Yes. Okay, yeah, so this is about what? Overview of Azure portal. Now coming to the menu bar, see this is the menu bar. This we will call it as Cloud Shell. If you want to develop, run anything, here you can write the code. PowerShell, shell scripting, Python, Terraform, etc. etc. Okay, yeah, now you can go for notifications. This is the what notifications. You will get 16,700 free credits. Am I right, Rajan? Rajan, you there?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So you will get 16,700 free credits. Am I right? Out of that, I consumed 6,000. Now remaining amount it is showing.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Next, this is about what? Notifications. Now this is the feedback form. Anytime you can use it. Now, if you go for Blade, there is a one option, AI's all services. Click on all services. Okay, if you observe, see, machine learning, analytics, container, identity, monitoring, security, everything is there. Everything is there. So under each category, we have analytics, compute, container, databases, and gender, hybrid, healthy, integration, Internet of Things, migration, mixed reality, monitoring, networking, storage. Clear? So these many categories are there. Out of them, we will point it out only this one, AI and machine learning. Okay, so earlier we are calling it as Azure AI Studio. Have you heard about it? AI Studio. Am I right? Have you
Yeah.
heard? Azure AI Studio. Now it is changed to AI Foundry. Foundry. Are you
Okay.
getting? Okay, recently, just 1 week back, I can apply. Go to Copilot. You can ask. Don't get confusion. Many people are asking that where is AI Studio? Where is AI Studio? Yeah, now the name has been changed just a week back, not much more than that. See, so when AI Studio name has been changed to AI Foundry. Okay, yeah, see, Microsoft rebonded Azure AI Studio to Azure AI Foundry on November 19th. Just 2 months back. People don't know still that one. Okay, so they rebonded, but slowly they have changed the name recently. So this change was announced at company annual Ignite conference, reflecting renewed focus on developing cutting-edge AI solution for business. New AI Foundry service included AI Foundry portal, SDK AI agents, and the pre-built app templates among other AI-based applications. Clear, clear, Rajan? Rajan, you
Uh,
there?
yeah.
So there is no AI Studio. Now in place of that, what? We got Azure AI Foundry. Okay, and this is what machine learning. Machine learning, it is a separate URL. So I will give you the URL ml.microsoft.com. No, ml.azure.com. Sorry, not microsoft.com, azure.com. Okay, so this is the ML. Directly, same after creating the ML, we can use this URL. I am pinging in the URL, you can use it. Okay, yeah, next. Now AI Foundry, AI Studio, Machine Learning separate studio, separate URL is there. AI.ml.microsoft.com. Okay, now if I go for AI.azure.com, it will takes us to what? AI Foundry. Okay, I am giving, have a look. So what is that? AI.azure.com. It will takes us to AI Studio previously. Okay, now they have changed it to what? AI Foundry. Got it? AI got AI Foundry. Now second one is we can say AI dot sorry ML dot Azure.com. This is what machine learning. Machine learning studio to develop ML models. Got it, Rajan? Remember two URLs important. AI.azure. Okay. AI.azure.com. This is the Foundry, AI Foundry. So build without boundaries. Directly you can use it. I will let you know one by one. No worries. I will explain it. Okay. Yeah. Next. Now have a look. Go to ML. Now go to here. Try to create one AI search. I will show you how to deploy one services. Next, how to deploy Foundry, how to deploy ML learning. Okay, one by one. Okay, yeah. Next, first thing is here we have AI services. Click on it. Bookmark it. See, there is a star mark, right? When you hit on star mark, okay, then the service will be placed in left side. This we will call it as what is that? Blade. Clear, Rajan? Now click on AI. See what it is doing. Embedded the ability to see, hear, speak, such services, understand accelerated decision making in AI services. Okay, now click on here. Okay, as of now, there is no AI services. Directly click on Azure AI services. Okay, so as of now, we have computers as such. So when you click on Azure AI services, it will display list of AI services, guys. At this moment, we have only search. I do not want. What I will do now, I will remove it. See, it's been already removed, seems. Yeah, I will go and remove it. This is the computer vision last time which we have deployed for other batch. Now I am deleting it. So again, have a look. If I go and click on Azure AI services, see, these are the list of Azure AI services, guys. Have you observed? Azure AI services, we have computer OpenAI, Azure OpenAI, AI search, computer vision, face API, custom speech, language, translator, bot, anomaly detector, content moderator, personalizer, immersive, and AI services, and content language understanding, etc. etc. Got it, guys?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, next. Now, if I click on AI, Azure AI services, as of now, no, you can go ahead and click on Azure AI service. This is the main part. Okay, after creating it, for developers, they can consume it, these AI services. Are you getting? If I create AI services, this is the one service which contain speech, language, etc. Those APIs, you can consume it in your application. Okay, now I am choosing, there is a no AI vision, right? Nothing required. I am giving AI-RG. Okay, or else I will create Azure hyphen AI hyphen RG. Azure AI hyphen RG. Okay, location east west. What is the name? My Azure AI services. Twenty 25. So the name should be unique. This name cannot be used by other people in the world. Okay, I am giving Azure hyphen AI hyphen service 2025. Clear, Rajan?
Yeah.
Now pricing type, we have two types of pricing types, free and standard. Currently we have standard. Okay, yeah, next, click on next. See, here we have n number of networks. Okay, all networks, selected network, disable. You know about networking topic, right? In Azure.
Yes.
Rajan. So there are two types of network mainly. One is public, other one is what? Private.
Private.
Okay, what is the public? Resources that can be accessible from anywhere in the world is called public. The resources which can be accessible within the corporate network is called private. Clear, Rajan?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, next. Now, I am choosing all the networks. See, all networks, including internet, can be accessible these resources. Click on next. So this is the tags. What are the tags? Any idea? Tags are name value pairs. What is that? Tags are name value pairs which will give the information about resource. What is that? Which will give the information about resource. Okay, for example, I am giving client. Who is the client? I can say PwC. Have you heard about it, PwC client? Yes or no?
PwC as a client, I mean,
Yeah, Price Waterhouse Cooper. Are
yeah,
you
yeah.
from India or US?
No, no, India only.
India only, okay. So yes, PwC is the big client, tax auditing company. Okay, now I am giving environment. Just we are providing the labeling for the service. Okay, that is what production.
Yeah.
Okay, next, who is the owner of this project? I can say Mike at the rate of PwC. Right, so these are the labeling. Tax in the sense, see, if you go for any shopping mall, am I right? You will, if you would like to purchase any shirt, it can there would be a one tag, am I right? Tag, it describes about what? Product brand name, size,
And price.
price, manufacturing date, am I right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
by looking at those information, you'll understand that, right? Total, what is the product, what is the size and all. Same way, if you look at this labeling or tags, okay, oh, this is the PwC client, production environment, owner of this one. If you want any approval, directly you can send email to mike@pwc.com. It's nice, right? You need not have to ask someone in your team members. Yes or no? Now click on next. Hit on review plus create it. Okay, hit on review plus create it. Yeah.
So to do anything, first we have to create a Azure AI services, right?
Yeah. So Azure AI services, this is mandatory if you want to consume the APIs in your application.
Okay.
It will generate the APIs. REST
Okay.
API calls, you know, right? So this
Yeah,
is,
yeah. Yeah.
yeah. So this is purely what, to consume these services, to extend your services to your application, enterprise applications.
Okay.
Got it, Rajan?
Yeah, yeah.
Or else it doesn't require. Why? Because this is the mandatory, not mandatory. It is first service which you have to create it.
Okay. If I need to work on Azure AI Foundry for that
Uh,
also.
AI Foundry, that is again separate service.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So now I think they have upgraded to OpenAI, right?
Yeah, both. So Azure AI and they integrated Azure OpenAI as well. You you know, right? Around 50% of shares Microsoft has invested.
Okay.
So whatever the product, both together they develop, Microsoft directly they can integrate with their products like Azure.
Okay.
Okay. See, you are the we are both partnership in business partnership. Whatever we develop the product, so both can consume it. You will sell it, I will sell it. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, same fund it is. Now, if I go for resources, this is the AI services. Okay. Yeah. See, if I click on it, Azure AI is the resource group name. This is the AI services. First go to Azure AI services here. Okay. Azure AI services. See, when I click on Azure AI services, again click on one more service. That is up to n number of services you can deploy. Azure AI services, see, get access Azure OpenAI, search, vision, language, and translated AI services with single app key. Have you observed, guys? This is the important.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I said, right? When you create AI services, your services are extended to access these applications in our applications.
Yeah.
Okay, so it will provide the APIs, application programming interfaces that you can consume it to your applications.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, quickly see content tag services together, achieve more insight into your content, easily integrate with other services. Okay, get access to Azure OpenAI, speech, vision, language, translated Azure services. You may have query that, why should I access Azure OpenAI? I can go ahead directly OpenAI, right? That is your
Mm.
question. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so what is that is, where is the security? See, recently I came into the market. Okay, I can use it directly. Where is the security? Who will provide the security for your data?
Okay.
Okay, Azure is there since 5 decades, 50 years. Security is very strong. Am I right? So
Yeah.
like 140 countries, around 60 plus regions, Microsoft has their own data centers. Have you heard about it anytime like Microsoft data hacked by someone and all? No,
Uh,
right?
no.
Yeah. So where is the security? Yes. If you access those services to Azure AI, Microsoft will take care about security for your services.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Next. Now this is the AI services. When I click on it, so this is what I am telling. OpenAI, this is the API you can access. See language OpenAI. Got it? Language API. So this is the DALL-E. This is what? Whisper APIs. Got it? Image generation, you can utilize this API URL and the language azure.ai.services 2025 openai.azure.com. If you want to access OpenAI services through Azure, you can utilize these three APIs for developers. Speech related, speech to text, text to speech, and custom voice. You can utilize these three. You know, right? You should closely work with developers as well. Right now, content safety. This is the content safety. Computer vision. This is the URL. See azure.ai.services, cognitive services.azure.com. Now everything is ending with Azure. So Azure is taking care about that service. Okay, here
Okay.
HTTPS and Azure AI services, content underlay, understanding.
Okay.
Okay, if you want more about APIs, full form of the APIs, application programming interfaces.
Okay.
Yeah, clear so far?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, now if we go for key and endpoints, it is same. It is same, but you'll get only keys and all. See, secure key, right? So for example, you would like to access it. Where is the security? Along with if you pass the key, yes, that is the security.
Yeah.
Okay. For example, if you want to use speech to text, you are using this one. Along with we need to pass this key. You may have query that why two keys, why not one? Do you have that query?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Why? Because for security purpose. For example, there is a application A. There is a application B. Okay. Application A, application B. Application A is consuming this one. Application B is consuming this one. There is a rule to change. What is that? Keys for every 3 months once for security reasons under. What I will do now, I will copy this key and maintain in key here, application one. Now no downtime is required. Then what I will do now, I can regenerate it.
Okay.
See, I will regenerate the key. Are you sure you want to regenerate the key? Yes, I want to regenerate it. So once it is done, I can copy this one and associate to application one. So even single second, no downtime is required. Got it, guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so that's
So
why they have
regenerate
provided two keys.
while regenerating, it will be a different key altogether, right?
Yes, 100%. See, now it is O, last digit T, right? And regenerate it. Regenerate it. Now it is generating 9, okay, last digit. Have you
Okay.
observed?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it. In which scenario, use cases will be doing that? You
Yeah,
mean to say?
actually every 3 months once due to policy. How we people are changing 90 days for one policy, changing the password for your bank accounts, right?
Uh,
Yes or no? That is mandatory nowadays, right? You cannot
yeah.
maintain same password for 365 days. Yeah, same.
Okay.
Why you are changing the username and password, sorry, password for every 90 days? For
Yeah.
security.
Security only.
That is the policy, right? You may have query that someone may can hack. Okay.
Yeah.
Here also it is same. I am using this key for 30 days, sorry, 90 days. So due to security reasons and all, why should we take, what is that, risky? So they will generate it, pass it in application. Attack can happen from any time, right? For security reasons. Anyhow, Microsoft is providing security, but our end also we have to take care. It is the accountability of everyone, right, to take the security.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, we got these keys, right? Okay. So where we'll be using like this particular
Applications. Applications only.
for API and all, right?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So you know basics of Azure admin as well, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You know storage account.
Yes, yes, yes.
In storage account also we have keys. Have you observed?
Yeah, yeah.
So if you go for storage, see there is a access keys. Why they have provided? We cannot access. We can access storage account directly, right? Why they have mentioned the key for security only?
Hmm.
Okay. So if you access the storage account, it will ask you who are you. If you provide the key, you are authenticated. You will able to access the data within the storage account. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Same thing, guys. Here also same thing. Nice, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I created this one. Now this service, you can utilize it in Foundry. So ai.azure.com. Get started. Just I'm showing you the demo. Tomorrow I will show you different services. Click on here. Okay, see here it is asking which model it is. Let it be, use it. Okay, make explore floor. See, okay, focus on Azure OpenAI services. Jump start to AI journey. Explore the models. Okay, these are the models they are providing. Okay, Pi 4 multimodal. See, have you observed? With together they have developed. See, if you see here, this is the logo. Here you can see Microsoft product it is. Even DeepSeek also they have provided. See, introducing about DeepSeek RA. So what does that mean? DeepSeek APIs you can consume it for your application. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is about what? Different services which they have provided. Okay, and this is the AI Foundry, guys. Here you can see notifications, preview features, whatever they have introduced. And this is the settings. Anytime you can change the settings. This is the light, dark, uplight. This is the full dark. This is the white and combination, full white. I am choosing inbuilt. Okay, so this here you can provide the feedback. This is about your account. See, this is my account. Okay, now welcome to Azure AI Foundry. Dana, my name. Now create new project. Okay, create new project. Here I am creating my project. My first AI Foundry. My first AI Foundry project. Okay, or else I can say my Azure AI Foundry hyphen project one. Simple word I can provide AI hyphen project one. Okay, see subscription free, right? Resource group, it is creating. Okay, RG hyphen Dana hyphen AI. Okay,
Yeah.
customize it. Then here you can provide your own. Hub name by default, Dana hyphen 1056. I am giving my hub. This name also should be, yeah. So the name also should be unique here. I am choosing my hub. free trial. And resource group name. Already we have resource group. Just now we created, right? I am going to choose what is that? AI hyphen. What is the resource group name did I create, guys?
Azure AI RG.
Yes, Azure hyphen AI hyphen Arch. Okay, East West. Now, see, I created Azure hyphen AI hyphen service 2025. Do you remember AI services? Now I am consuming it here. Have you
Okay.
observed? Whatever
Yeah.
the service I created, right? Do you remember here?
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes.
See, Azure hyphen AI hyphen services. It offering 5 services. Speech. What are they? Content delivery, content safety. This is one. OpenAI speech, content safety, computer vision, understanding. Those APIs we can consume it. See, skip connecting. Next, now create it. Project AI hyphen project one hub. This is the resource details it is creating. It is validating and deploy. This is the costly services. Try to what is that? Take care about it. Little bit take care about it.
So after AI services, now we are creating a project inside Azure AI Foundry.
Yes, just I am introduction about AI Foundry. That's it. Okay.
Okay. So before getting into Azure AI Foundry, we have to mandatorily create a service, right?
Yes, 100%. Or else it will ask you to create here.
Yeah.
Why confusion means that's why I have created initially itself.
Okay.
Yeah.
But here itself in the same page also you can create.
You can create it. Yes.
Yeah.
So it is validating everything. It will take like 2 to 3 minutes. Let it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. This is lengthy topic. This is the only everything it contain, like custom models and all. So this we will discuss it. Just I am showing you how to deploy the service.
Yeah.
Okay. These are all about custom models. Initially,
Yeah.
designing custom models. Already Microsoft, as I said, always I try to use one keyword like predefined models and all, right? So
Yeah.
that we'll discuss it from today, tomorrow onwards.
Okay. So this one actually I don't see any proper designation or something. So
As of now, AI is new, right? As you know that already.
yeah.
So now people are implementing. Okay, it is in from scratch. Okay. So no proper documentation, everything. You have to enter into the company. That's it.
Okay. So I can show while switching, right?
Yeah, you can see. I know I am working. What is that POC of Azure AI in my project? Like that, you can tell the story and enter. Even
Okay.
I am looking for change.
You already implemented?
Yes, we are implementing.
Okay. In what particular scenario you are trying to do what?
Yeah, we have multiple projects. Okay. I will let you know. Actually,
Yeah. Anyway,
I am employee of Microsoft. Okay. So you can see my LinkedIn profile.
LinkedIn, can you ping me so that I can connect with you?
I don't use much. I think 3 years
But
back I updated.
it's better. I need to connect somehow, right, with you.
Yeah, yeah, no problem. I will give my number. See.
Yeah.
Uh,
So first to understand like how we need to implement and all.
Blindly we have to go first. Implementation learn and implement is happening. Okay. Currently I am Microsoft employee only. Even I am upgrading my skills and all. So multiple clients are there. We are suggesting and implementing. Implementation.
Okay.
Azure specialist at Microsoft. Okay, yeah, fine.
So how to get access to these recordings? I'm not getting any link or something.
Yeah, you can contact the DurgaSoft management team. They will contact.
Okay. And how about the payment?
That all you can check with them. They will
Okay.
help you out.
Okay. Anyway, but these are like they have kept 3 days demo, na? So
Yeah,
that
yeah.
we can. I think your previous class also I have already gone through.
Okay. Mhm.
They have uploaded 3 videos. So
Okay. Okay. Yeah, sure. Practice it. Still, it will take some time to complete. And now, yeah, it has been created. Close it. See, app key is there. Have you observed?
yeah, API key. Yeah,
API key. Now, just remember first digit 9, last digit J. Now go to here, previously which we have created.
yeah.
This is the show key. Have you observed? 9K. First digit 9, last digit K. Here, yeah, first digit 9, last digit. You can copy, paste it. Have you observed? First digit
Yeah,
9, last digit K. Same key only. So now I am using that. I will consume those services here.
yeah.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
So basics. These are the basics. Okay. So from here we can develop our models, deploy it, that all one by one we can.
So if you see, there are like Azure AI and OpenAI services, right?
Yeah. So Microsoft came up with their own products. If you want, you can utilize it. No, 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 I don't like. Then if you want to use it to OpenAI, yes, through Azure you can use them.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so this is about overview of AI services and all. Try to practice it. In next session we'll discuss about just this is the overview I have provided, like how to deploy one AI services, what is the usage of APIs, okay, how you can utilize it. That all going forward we'll see. Okay, just I have shown you how to create the service AI Foundry.
Okay.
So please remember there is no more AI studio. In place of that, AI Foundry came into the picture. Most of the people, that is the different and this is the different. No, previously it was Azure AI Studio. Now it is rebonded to Azure AI Foundry.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thank you everyone. Tomorrow we'll connect back. Bye. Have a great day.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Good day. Thank you.